Hello student, myself Aktarul Ali, a second year MBBS student at Bardhaman Medical College and Hospital. Today I will discuss about erythroblastosis fetalis from body fluid and circulation. First we know about what is erythroblastosis fetalis meaning. Erythroblastosis means red blood cell breakdown and fetalis means in case of fetus. So erythroblastosis fetalis is breakdown of RBC or red blood cell in case of fetus. And this condition is only arising when the mother is Rh negative blood and fetus is Rh positive blood. And Rh is one type of antigen. Rh is one type of antigens. In human, about 80% are Rh positive and about 20% are Rh negative. Rh negative do not contain any antibody, but Rh positive contain antibody. During first pregnancy, the child is Rh positive, but the maternal blood contain Rh negative antigen. In the first step, maternal Rh negative red blood cell and fetal Rh positive red blood cell enters into the maternal blood. And during second step, maternal Rh negative red blood cells, this is the maternal Rh negative red blood cells which produced anti-Rh antibody against the fetus, because fetus contain Rh positive antigen, that's why it's produced Rh antibodies, anti-Rh antibodies. In the third steps, the antibody which produced against the fetus, which is anti-Rh antibodies, which crosses through placenta and enters into the fetus and occurred a process which is known as agglutination. That means antigen binding with antibody and forms agglutination. And these agglutinations break down the RBC or fetal RBC. Therefore, number of RBC highly decreased. Therefore, the child will be born with severe anemia or will be dead, which is also known as erythroblastosis fetalis, and this is known as hemolytic disease of newborn. Some condition of erythroblastosis fetalis. During first child, there is not found HDN or hemolytic disease of newborn. That means erythroblastosis fetalis is not occurred in case of first pregnancy or first child. But in case of successive pregnancy, there will be cross occurred through placenta, because placental barrier is not functions here. Therefore, crosses antibodies to the fetus and produced anti-Rh antibodies against the fetus and form agglutination to the fetus, therefore breakdown to the RBC and therefore decreasing the number of RBC in case of fetus. That's why erythroblastosis fetalis is happened. This fetalis is prevented only by inject of anti-Rh antibody after the first pregnancy.